More than ever, we need to bring employees together. Everyone, all in one place. A place where your people will gather and your culture will thrive. That's Jostle, a simple platform that connects everyone, on their phone or at their desk. Even in the break room or on the factory floor with Jostle TV. Simply engaging people has never been enough. To feel successful at work, people also need to be able to get their work done frustration-free and be recognized for each contribution they make along the way. Jostle makes all this possible. First off, Jostle provides the place for communication, up, down, and across your organization. You can share quick updates in real time. Join in the celebration of birthdays and anniversaries. Shout out a colleague or team for something they just accomplished. That's a kind of celebration that catches on. Help people understand what matters. Roll out initiatives and share news in a simple, vibrant way. Hear what employees think. Organize events. Help people understand who does what and where they can find help. Our universal search finds everything: policies, places, and people. You can even find people when you don't know how to spell their name. You can search for a skill or role and then learn more about the colleagues you find. Reach out to them with our built-in chat. Let's start a chat to help people understand a new safety policy. It's only relevant to engineers in the mobile business unit that are in Canada. When a new engineer joins mobile in Canada, they'll be automatically added to this chat. And if you use Slack or Microsoft Teams, you're in luck. With our integrations, you'll never miss an update. Jostle also has a place to organize reference documents and how-to videos. Make it easy to find the current copy of best practices, specifications, and policies. Sections can be targeted to locations, teams, or departments so that people only see what is relevant to them. If you want, you can integrate Jostle with your enterprise Google or Microsoft file shares. Thanks to our industry-leading approach, you will never bump into broken permissions again. Anywhere in the platform, you can use a task to action something, for yourself or for a colleague. Tasks include their own built-in chat, so you can work collaboratively and share files to get work done. Want to understand better how we can help each person in your organization belong, get work done, and feel successful? Book a demo today.